David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 faith is strong, but she needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. When she tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke it bone and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Been here before, seen this room and I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew ya. When I've seen your flag on a marble arch, and love is not a victory march, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, hallelujah. Yeah, thank you kay Ian. This is my bassist right here. Wala pa naman natin si Ian Sullivan. So, this night is, I would also like to take the opportunity to honor the people who have, supported me. Kasi if it weren't for them, I wouldn't be here. So I just like to, but before that, I just want to call out one of the representatives ng group of people na yun. Can I call on Ayo? Si Ayo. Ayun. Ayo, get over here. Si Ayo nga pala, he's the guy on guitars dun sa Quintessence, my debut album. Ayan! Lupit na. So, ayun, I would like to take this time to honor those who have supported me and have been there for me, have given me advice in my spiritual journey. And one of them ay sa State Varsity Christian Fellowship. And meron ba dyan taga-SP? May SP ba dyan? Nakasin niyo naman. Lur? Hello? Nahiyas na. And from Victory, Las Bañas. Thank you. And si Ate Yang right there. Ate Cla, Ate Ernie, Ate Trish. Sino ba dito? Pwede ka bumata? Sige, pwede.
Pati yung mga bandmates ko. Pero disbanded na.
Raj Bandberg. And sa LBPC, maraming pong salamat. Salamat at natiis niyo pa po ako. And so, thank you kasi you're helping me get to the goal. And yun ang message ng song na to. So, ready na ba?